here, you do it here, yeah.
You go, buddy. You get that crab.
You got that little one, huh?
Yeah. It was in the shell.
Wow. That's the lowest been the whole time?
I don't think so. I think it's a different little one. Look, he's tied up in a knot.
Yeah. Wow.
You go, little buddy. I didn't even think he eats crabs.
Get man.
I was just putting on an act to try to fuck these guys out.
Oh, don't go after the eel octopus. Oh good, he's not.